My name is Jonathan Serrano Ramsey. I'm from Mulvane, Kansas, and my major was biology with a concentration in pre-medicine. I have worked very closely with all the biologists and the rest of the science department, actually. I help move them from one building to the other, getting to work with them over the summer, seeing them not in their regular element when they're lecturing at me. It's kind of fun to get to know them on that level, too. It really helps me now to go forward in the future, especially if I want to pursue something different than medicine, of course, in another degree type, or rather, just another career path, as being part of a laboratory like that. Coordinating everything for the laboratory at Newman has helped me take what my current job is and further it. So working as a lab assistant down in Derby right now really helped to be able to show them what I could do just coming from Newman alone. They weren't expecting everything that I could bring to the table. But it's for family med centers. It's a professional association of doctors, and they have 6 clinics in the Wichita area. So I'm an MA for one clinic, and I'm a laboratory technician for another clinic. And they hired me in December for part-time, and then they offered me that full-time position upon graduation.